Hello, and welcome to Getting Started with Sirius. Sirius is a performance management application for individuals in their life and in their work. It's available on the web or as a mobile application on Apple iOS or Android. We will do the initial demonstration using the web screen captures, and on the final slide we will show some equivalent nuances to the mobile app presentation. Welcome to Sirius, where you can manage your own or your team's performance for work or for life. As a free individual user, you get access to many useful features. This is a performance management application. You can apply it to your career, your work, projects, hobbies, life ambitions, you name it. The model is based around each individual owning their own performance, which is proven best practice. You can set your goals and your key performance indicators using the application. You can enter your status and track your progress and see how you're doing against the goals you have set for yourself. You can identify those people you would value feedback from, and you can request them to provide that feedback. And of course, you can review that feedback at any time and act on it as appropriate. You can invite a coach or a mentor or a manager or a leader to connect with you and give you guidance, feedback, and support. If you subscribe as a leader, a coach, a mentor, or a manager, the following additional features apply. You can manage and support your team members. You can invite your team members to join you in the Sirius collaborative network. You can view their progress at a high level, and you can drill down and look at how are they progressing on each individual goal or key performance indicator. You can provide very specific feedback or general feedback on their performance. You can set up and record and review calls and meetings to review their progress. Team members can request and receive detailed feedbacks from anybody they choose when they are a member of a subscribed leader's team. Let us first look at navigation. We start with My Profile. On My Profile, you will see the name and email, and if there is a specific rating recently supplied by a team leader, that star rating will be indicated. Here you can create your profile by hitting the edit link. You can make all or part of your profile visible to your team leader, your coach, or your mentor. On the left-hand side, you will see the menu list. Each of the menu items is associated with your level of subscription. Anything marked with a tick box indicates it's a free function that's available to all individuals. Anything marked in green indicates functions that are available to a subscribed team leader or a team member of a subscribed team leaders. If you have received feedback, the icon above circled in the yellow box indicates that there is feedback received. By clicking on that box, you can view the feedback and also look at feedback you have requested. The middle icon at the top of the screen are invitations received. By clicking on that icon, you can see invitations you have received and invitations you have sent. And finally, the furthest right icon indicates the messages you've received. By clicking on that icon, you can see emails you've received and sent. Emails will also be sent to the email address you've registered under. Now let's look at the menu items in more detail. On My Subscription Plan, you can view your current plan and what you're allowed to do. You can also upgrade to a team leader plan. If you click on My KPIs, you can set up your key performance indicators. You can enter status and you can view your status and look at the meters that indicate how you're doing visually. Likewise, for My Goals, you can set up new goals, enter the status of those goals, and view your progress. On Invite Team Leader, here you can invite someone to become your team leader, your coach, or your mentor. You can change an existing team leader, perhaps if you've changed role or changed projects. Or if you're already set up with a team leader, when you click on this, you'll view details of your team leader. Invite Team Member is available to you if you're a subscribed team leaders. Your plan will allow you to invite a specific number of team members. If you click on My Team, you can view the dashboard of performance for all your team members. You can drill down on that dashboard and see their individual progress on specific goals or specific KPIs. My Meetings gives you a record of all meetings you've received a request for or you've accepted. If you have new requests, you can accept or reject a request. You only have this feature available if you're connected to a team leader. 360-degree feedback allows you to select and request feedback from individuals you value or you feel are important to give you feedback on how you're doing and your progress. On the free account, you can request general feedback, and if you're on a subscribed account as a team member, you can request specific feedback. You click the review feedback to review that feedback. Team leader feedback is available if you're connected to a subscription plan as a team leader or a team member. Here you can request and receive both general or specific feedback on a specific goal or KPI. There are some slight differences between the mobile app version and the web version, but overall the features and functions are exactly the same regardless of the platform you're using. And you can access from any device your current account. On opening the app, you're taken to the sign-in page. At the bottom of that page, you will see a button to create an account and get started. So if it's your first time on Sirius, you can register and sign up by clicking on that button. It's exactly the same process as we have just outlined for the web version. You provide the same information. Once you've activated the account and you log in, you're taken to a slightly different home page. This is to do with presentation of information on different screen sizes. Here you can see we present the exact same information on icons plus one additional icon related to the meetings. We also list the number of goals and the number of KPIs that you have. At any time you can click that menu button highlighted with the arrow to see the menu, and you'll be taken to the same menu which is consistent with the previous.